In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF to Google Docs and start editing it right away. Whether you're trying to update an old document, extract information from a PDF, or you simply want to make quick changes without using extra software, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're there, look for the option labeled New on the left side of the screen. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Click on New and then choose File Upload. This lets you upload the PDF directly from your computer. You can also drag and drop the file into Google Drive. If that feels easier, both methods work perfectly. Next, once your PDF finishes uploading, find it in your Drive and right-click on it. You'll see several options appear in a pop-up menu. From here, hover over Open With, and then click on Google Docs. You'll notice Google Docs automatically begins converting the PDF into an editable document. This may take a few seconds depending on the size or complexity of the file, but don't worry, the process is completely automatic and user-friendly. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Avoid uploading extremely large PDFs if possible, and check that your PDF isn't heavily formatted with complex graphics. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent conversion errors. Once the conversion is complete, Google Docs will open a brand new editable version of your PDF. Take a moment to scroll through and check the formatting. After that, you should be able to add text, remove lines, insert images, or adjust the layout without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to review the document for spacing or alignment issues, especially if your PDF had multiple columns or tables. Taking this extra step ensures your final document looks clean and professional. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to upload and edit any PDF in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?